Why do we yawn? Imagine it as a secret signal. Ancient tribes sitting around a fire, one person yawns and others follow suit. It seems ridiculous, right? But yawning isn't just about feeling sleepy. Here's a surprising perspective. It cools the brain. When tired, our body temperature rises slightly, and a yawn, with its wide-open mouth, brings in fresh air, cooling us down. It's like opening a window on a hot day. Interestingly, yawning is also contagious, like laughter, hinting at ancient social bonds. It's a quirky reminder that sharing body signals helped our ancestors survive and connect. So, a yawn? It's teamwork in disguise.